Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 3, exploring credible primary, secondary, and tertiary data sources about student success rates in the U.S. 120 points, 1,000 words. What does credible mean? What are primary, secondary, and tertiary sources? You're going to find out in this assignment. Okay, let's survey this assignment. We have 4 links here that you need to click on and read very carefully. We have a part 1 and a part 2 and lots of information down here. Okay, so you're going to need to read all of this super carefully. I'm going to click on one link with you right now, and it's the discussion 3 part 1 and part 2 due dates. Okay, so I'm clicking on that link and I have our timeline. This discussion assignment takes place during week 3 and week 4. It has 2 due dates. Submit part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Friday, February 22nd, and submit part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Friday, March 1st. Now you may be thinking, well, I have lots of time to do this assignment. I have week 3 and week 4. Maybe I'll complete it on the weekend of week 3 or in week 4, and that would be a very bad plan. There's lots for you to do, which is why you have these 2 weeks to work. If you think you're going to be late submitting an assignment, you need to email me here in inbox and tell me what's up and why you would like to submit an assignment late before you receive the go-ahead from me, okay? Anytime you submit an assignment late, it's a concern for me because you're falling behind, and I'm falling behind too because I can't give you prompt feedback on an assignment. So I'm going to click on the back arrow here, take us back into this assignment and show you, scrolling down it. It's very, very detailed. You will be conducting research. You need every minute of these 2 weeks. This assignment will take you probably several hours, which is correct because you should be working about 3 hours a week on your assignments, the things that you're learning, and I promise you that this data assignment will be very useful to you. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in the inbox. And remember, if you think you're going to be late in this assignment submitting it, you need to tell me immediately. Please don't tell me on the day it's due. All right, let's have fun in this assignment. Let's learn meaningful things in discussion 3 about credible primary, secondary, and tertiary data sources that you can use throughout the rest of your life, not just in a college setting. All right, remember, I'm here for you and I care.